In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Miside on PC or laptop. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is by using a Steam client. So if you don't have Steam, go to Google, type in Steam, and then you want to go ahead and click on install Steam and then create an account or log into your account. Now, once we've done that, we want to go ahead and click on the store tab on the top of the page there, and then search the store for Miside. Here it is here, so click onto Miside. Now you want to scroll down, and then we've got a couple of different ways how to purchase this or even play the demo. So they've got to play a demo here that's completely free to play, so go ahead and click on download, and that's going to download and install it on your PC or laptop, and then you can play it, or you can purchase Miside. So we've got a few different options. We've got some bundles here as well, so if you want to purchase it, so if I want to buy the Miside with no bundles, I'm going to click on add to cart. It's about $21 Australian, so I'm going to go ahead and click on view my cart and then continue to payment. And now we've got payment info, just so you just choose which one. So we got PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, Discover. So if I want to do, say, my MasterCard, then put in your information here, your banking stuff, and then click continue. That's going to purchase it, and then it's going to start downloading as well. And then from there, you can start playing Miside on your PC or laptop.